Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Salsa Pico de Gallo. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 3 ripe tomatoes, 1 small white onion, and a generous bunch of fresh cilantro. Don't forget 1 jalapeno or serrano pepper for a kick, and 2 limes for their juice. A pinch of salt will enhance all these vibrant flavors. Now let's get chopping. Dice your tomatoes into small, consistent pieces, aiming for about 1/4 of an inch. Finely mince the white onion so its flavor blends smoothly without overpowering. Chop the fresh cilantro, including the tender stems, for a burst of herbaceousness. For the pepper, remove the seeds and membranes if you prefer a milder salsa, then finely mince it. It's time to bring everything together. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your diced tomatoes, minced onion, chopped cilantro, and minced pepper. Squeeze the fresh juice from 2 limes directly over the mixture. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt to start, then give it a good, gentle stir. This ensures all the flavors meld beautifully. The final step is crucial for flavor development. Let your pico de gallo rest in the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes, or even up to 30 minutes. This allows the ingredients to marinate and their flavors to truly meld. Serve this vibrant salsa fresh with your favorite tortilla chips, tacos, or as a bright accompaniment to grilled meats. Enjoy your homemade pico de gallo.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.